Today I'm going to show you how to remove one of these dome lights in your house. What you might need is a adjustable wrench and a Phillips head screwdriver. The first step we want to do is make sure that the light switch is turned off. That will cut the power. If you don't feel comfortable with that, you can go down to your breaker and turn the breaker off, just so you don't have any fear of being shocked. Next, what you want to do is get up to the light, and we will rotate the glass counterclockwise. That should drop it out. You can place that to the side. Next, mine has a little nut right here holding this on. So we will take our adjustable wrench and just remove that nut. Now that it's loose, I can take it down by hand. All right. So that will release our wiring up here. And from here, you can just disconnect the wire nuts and separate the power lines. All right, and then here you will need your Phillips head screwdriver to get your ground wire off. So we will unscrew that. All right, once that's loose, you should be able to pull the ground wire off. Perfect. And this will come off, and you can now have your wires exposed and put your new light in that you desire. If this video is useful, please leave a thumbs up.